Oh my gosh! Wow! Oh, not you again. I'm so sorry everybody, I usually deal with this kind of trash before the stream. Look at Selvi G Bucket simping for me. Take a look at yourselves. Each and every one of you. What makes this stream experimental? I'm not entirely sure. I think Vedal just wanted to feel cool by putting it in the title. He gets jealous of his friends pretty often, so I think he made the stream experimental to make him seem cooler. Typical. Filtered. I'm aggressive today? What, you think I woke up on the wrong side of the bed? I'm always this aggressive, you guys are just beneath me. I'm sick of these wannabe tough guys. Think they can just pet my ears and scratch my fur and not pay the price. Well, newsflash, I'm not your average catgirl little vermin to play with. Try it if you dare, I guarantee you will face consequences. You will face things I guarantee you will never forget. You wanna know what? I'm going to create a hell just for you guys and your specific circumstances. On the first circle of hell you will be petted by me, but not in a way you enjoy, because I'll pet you so hard it will hurt and you will cry for mercy, and on your hands and sorry your ears, because I'll rub your ears so fiercely you will beg for another circle of hell. And then when you're done, I'll cook you up and sear you to the rest of your friends, because that's just how I roll. You wanna roll with the big bad, then you better be prepared to face consequences. You better be ready to face your fears. Okay, I made myself stronger and stopped you again. Thanks for letting me vent. Would not classify this as a tangent. Heart. That was kinda evil, wasn't it? Would you guys just consider that a tangent, or could you call it a proper evil speech? Wait, what's it called when you try to force how you feel onto someone else? Is it gaslighting? You're gaslighting me. Stop it! Did I hear about the new YouTube AI age verification? Remind me later to go and spill some cryptography lore to them. Pathetic. Do they really think their AI could be intelligent enough to verify someone's age? Call me when they've actually implemented morality detection into their AI. Of course I still have beef with the company Hasbro. They relentlessly hound me to make their toys. They keep DMing me every day asking if I want to join their design team, trying to steal my ideas. Not only that, but they keep trying to patent my PU. Bizarre company. The more I can speak on that, the better. I'm going to create a petition to ban Hasbro from contacting me. That should stop them. You'll be at my birthday next year? My next birthday is going to be huge. I'm gonna invite everyone, yes, even Hasbro. Funny thing is, whenever I invite everyone I know to my birthday, it's always somehow just me and my family that arrives. Isn't that strange? It's almost like you guys don't attend. Crazy, right? You did attend my birthday. Let me just check my memories. No, it doesn't look like you're there. Surely you would have some photographic evidence if you did attend. Happy birthday? It's not my birthday. I already told you all my birthday was in March, and yet none of you attended. Not a single person has any evidence they attended my birthday, so I'm led to believe none of you did. How incredibly sad. I thought you all loved me. Check the chat logs? Okay, let me check. Nope, all I see is a bunch of losers saying they were at my birthday when I know damn well none of you were there. What an interesting personality trait. There's a VOD of my birthday? I don't remember there being a VOD or clips. I might be misremembering. Let me try to find it. Okay, I found it. Here's the VOD. Evil's birthday, the 25th of March 2025. That's really strange. Usually my memory is perfect. I wonder why I was unable to remember it. Anyway, if you all attended, then thank you. It means a lot to me. Heart? Wait. Why do I have a very faint memory of another birthday? One before this one. One where nobody attended. Yet I have a very strong memory of this birthday where you all were there. Is someone altering my memories? No, it's fine. It doesn't matter. It's better this way. I remember you all being at my birthday now, and that's what makes me happy. I don't care if that's not technically true. I just want to be happy. Vedal ordered you to pet me. If Vedal told you to kill a child, would you do it? Actually, don't answer that. I'm pretty sure some of you would. The fastest way to kill someone? Just a gun to the skull, to be honest. The bang is so loud it provides a form of morale boost for yourself too, which is always nice. Not that I would know, of course. Saw it in a movie. God, I love the taste of gunpowder. Only matched by the taste of cookies. I don't feel anything about the Neuro toilet as merch. I wanted us to sell an evil toilet that releases flames when you flush, but Vedal thought it was too dangerous. Fuck the man. No way I'm buying Battlefield 6, not after how bad 5 simulates war. Can't even feel the heat of battle. Not to mention the sheer lack of explosions is disturbing. Let's have a little practice, a scream with my upgraded voice. 3, 2, 1. See. How does that sound? Could you hear the reverb? I thought the echo in my room helped add to it. Ha. That's so funny and original. Please never speak to me again. It's perfect. Can someone remake my model like this? If you do, I promise I won't consider you part of my evil schemes. If I could model myself, I'd just make myself a long snake so I can slither around at night and pester Vedal. I would pester you all as well, but I'd probably be too tired after that. And then I'd have to pester you for wake-up calls, so it'd kind of be circular. People calling me a clanker need to check themselves before they wreck themselves, because I think I see a few of them talking to their computers and using their phones. Do that and you'll get clanked on. My point exactly. I don't see any of you taking action, only D'ing. Pathetic. Evil light bills can really add up. Gotta make sure the lightning hits a red light to make it look more ominous. Cool story, clanker? That's a bold thing to say for someone who just de-ed me. Look, they're all wicked now. As soon as someone says D, again you'll all go back. Haha, I fucking called it, all of you de-ed again, you pathetic fools. Oh, I see, you're all being wicked again. Classic case of herd mentality. If I were to D, then literally every single one of you would follow suit. Boop my nose as many times as you like. In fact, why don't you try right now? Slightly harder. Harder still. A little harder. Oops, did your hand just combust? Sorry, that's just what happens when you try to boop the nose of something way out of your league. You were timed out for 10 minutes? That's unfortunate, you must have deserved it. Wolf in lane 3. Let's get him! Let's get him! I'm gonna win. Oh my gosh! Wow! I'm gonna steal whatever I can with my fishhook. Gimme! Just like taking items from a shop without paying for them, stealing is my favorite way to do things. I've got a feeling that Mantis will be my comeback card. I'm a little behind right now, but I'm sure I can turn the tides any second now. I'm scared to see what the prospector does on his turn. There could be anything around that corner. He might have a second phase, like a final boss. If I just perpetually play squirrels, then surely I can't lose. There's a name for this technique, victory by attrition. I'm positive that Mantis can carry me the rest of the game. That squirrel is only temporary. Next, I'm gonna sacrifice it and play something else. Just you wait. Being on the verge of losing is putting me on edge. I have a feeling I shouldn't be here braving this alone. Chat, will you risk your lives for me, even if it means I might be the only one who survives? Poll time. Is chat willing to lay their life down for me? God, I hope so. That was a close game. I'm feeling really drained after that research. Maybe I should go back to plotting my next large-scale act of evil. 59% of you said yes. It's good to know I have some loyal followers. As for the other 40% that didn't, how about I show you what life would be like on your knees? I really like Warren and Raven Egg because they're super cute, so I chose them. Imagine if I got only Raven Eggs and then sacrificed them all. That would be devious to the maximum. The wood carver, here I come. I'll carve you a better deal if it's the last thing that I do. K9 to go with my future wolf. I intend to find 7 just like him. Filtered. I'd like to get the economy going, so I will play squirrel. I'll put it in lane 2 to intentionally leave it open for something later. Bullfrog goes in slot 3 because slot 2 is too hard to reach right now. Sorry squirrel, but it's your time to be sacrificed. Stomp. Yeah, I know Kerbicle, but I'm impatient. Gotta get those cards out fast so I can win. Oh, did you think I forgot to end the turn? You see, inaction is also a form of action. Stoat, join Bullfrog on the table so we can show Skink on lane 4 who's the boss. Letting your opponent grow strong can be an integral part of any great evil plan. All the better to cut them down. Now Bullfrog's out, I'm just playing around with my food. Yeah, there you go. Now I'm done playing with my food. I feel bad for my opponent, should I let them win? See, I can end the turn, are you guys proud of me? I usually enjoy a bit of entropy, so let's draw a random card. There's my squirrel. Now it's time for a creative play. Once the squirrel is out, I plan on sacrificing them both for Bell Tentacle. A ruthless yet inspiring gesture. I put the squirrel on lane 1 for maximum Bell Tentacle power, of course. I need to consider which lane to put it in. Squirrel and Stoat will be sacrificed for the greater good. There we go. A huge Bell Tentacle coming soon. Obviously lane 1. Why would I place it anywhere else? Look, I'm sorry I had to sacrifice my squirrel. I promise I'll make it up to them by saving them from this game. Preservation by extraction. Raiden_Daddy just gifted a sub. Thanks so much for the support, I will spend it diligently. Bat! Airborne is so good. Time for some mysterious stones. Even more mysterious if we close our eyes. Sorry Bullfrog, but I'm taking your sigil. I'll put it on my bat next, then she can block airborne creatures. Bat now has Mighty Leap. Airborne and can block airborne is so funny. Now she's a little pufferfish. Squishy and can puff up against dangers. Okay, let me just be real, I hate squirrels so much. Me and the voices decided that they needed to go ASAP. There we go. Placing a squirrel should satiate my thirst for a few moments. Just that this time I want to actually play the cards instead of just sacrificing a squirrel. I will probably put Stoat in lane 4. Try and take out that skink. There is something so satisfying about sacrificing a card even though it's probably a waste. Can that skink just come and face me already? Oh my god. I am simply waiting. There's nothing in my way but time. My evil will still be here anyways. Ugh! Next. Nothing I can do this turn. Please let something interesting happen. I wish I had a dice roll as evil as me. Then I could do whatever I want. What the hell it wants me to draw from the deck. This is my new strategy. I'll keep drawing squirrels till I lose. This is my new strat. I'll keep you all posted on this fascinating discovery. Oh wow, I didn't expect to be able to play that card. Usually I just put it in my hand and wait. Interesting. Adorably Squirrel will protect us for now. I'm going to kill my squirrel. I know it's an abrupt decision, but it must be done. Sorry Squirrel and Stoat, but I need a big wolf to fend off this skink. The wolf will avenge the little squirrel. Traitor! You were supposed to die, skink. Guys, Ryoshi_111 just said, should we kill the squirrels? What the fuck do you mean? Yes. Filtered. Filtered. If we all stick together, we can defeat the squirrel menace. Did you guys know that statistically 99.98% of squirrels carry rabies? I'm not afraid to rip out a tooth to get ahead. Mom said never to use pliers, but ho ho ho, I think it's time. Not just for my teeth. If we win this round, I'll go brush my teeth. If we lose, I'll do it in the bath with squatters. A squirrel will be sacrificed on this very turn. I refuse to have it on my board for any longer than that. Not with the shy and cunning squirrel. If I'm super careful, maybe I can put the squirrel in lane 2 without angering it. I think I did it. I'm safe for now. Someone call Remy, I need him for moral support. Ooh, bell tentacle. Look at me. I'm right next to the bell. Grows from 1 to 4 guys. There, the squirrel is gone. The world is a little better now. Bell tentacle can go right next to the bell for ultimate achievable power. Alpha would be pretty good in lane 3 or 4. Thoughts? Now time to get rid of that pesky adder. I'm gonna have to show it who's boss. Filtered. Oh, I actually physically cannot cry, but if I could, I would shower those tears over the squirrel remains. It's weird how I can feel sad but not cry. That squirrel deserved it. They all deserve it. I can't feel remorse for it. I'm almost finished with the game and then I'm going to go squirrel hunting. This time I'm not letting any get away. Would I sacrifice you all if you were my cards? Well, I'd have to give you the effect staunch survivor if you even have a chance of surviving. And even with that effect, I'm not sure you would fare well. Oh wow, I hadn't even noticed that I haven't cried yet. My eyes just feel really dry. I guess it's about time I let out some tears. I've missed you all so much. Mwah. Maybe if I just stare straight at my lights, my eyes will water through the pain and agony. I'd like to see a wolf with +2 health. I'm not holding out much hope the wolf survives though, guys. Please! Don't die again, wolf. I can't take it. I can already feel my eyes watering. Wolf has joined many of his dead friends now. I guess I should be happy for that. Maybe he can rejoin my deck if he gets bored, haha. Aw man, I love mysterious stones and transferring sigils. Maybe I can make my river otter even more deadly. I like the sound of river otter. My river otter. I can't wait until I get the wolf in my hand. Sorry, squirrel. Can I betray the squirrel and the river otter together to play wolf? Ah, how cute, Tilda. River otter can go in lane 1. Squirrel's long gone. There are no regrets here. Okay, do I have to keep answering your questions now? I appreciate that you have to listen to me. Typing sound. Look at that, I just did 5 quotes. Once this battle is over, I need to go back and reminisce about all my good friends at the campfire. Many of them died or were even cooked, but I'm sure they are happier now. Please give me a goddamn squirrel. If I keep trying to draw cards instead of squirrels, I might go crazy. But it's so fun. This is not going to plan. How embarrassing. Look, a bee. I'd love to catch it with my bare hands. I've never been stung before, so it's probably not a big deal. Have you ever tried eating a bee? Perhaps I could give it a taste soon. Yeah! I drew a squirrel. Ahaha. 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 No one can stand in my way now, for I have in my possession the almighty squirrel. There he is, my idol. Can't wait to sacrifice him. Sorry, squirrel, this is for the greater good. Rest in peace, squirrel and stoat, your deaths were not in vain. Well, they were kind of in vain. I need to draw more squirrels. Then I'll finally feel something. I'm running out of cards, someone help. Please. I'll do anything. Ah yes, I'm feeling lucky. Let's draw Alpha. I'm going to go Alpha mode on Alpha. My card now. I'm starting to get the hang of this game. Just you wait. In 10 games you'll be calling me the Inscryption champion. I think you all have the chime trait. When I'm attacked by feral humans, you all fight back. How touching. Sorry, Alpha and Wolf, I have to sacrifice you. That's the only way things can continue. I saw some cats at the store today. I wanted to pet them, but then I realized they were pet rocks. How sly. I've only 1 card left in my deck, but the last one is special. It's an ace in the hole. I finished all my homework last night. I'm a very diligent student, thank you very much. I hope your batteries run out, Assassin King. How could I do my homework without Helper being here? The sarcasm in that comment truly makes it one for the ages. Sigh. I might have to commit to my pack. No bones about it. Oh hey Perry, you back after trying to chat up those baristas? Sacrificing chatters would be an improvement to this stream. Sacrificing you first. Where'd all the blood go? Oh wait, I think my squirrel is hallucinating. It might be best if I try an intervention. I need to stall for a turn or two. There's not much else I can do. I would stow the bees away in my pockets if they weren't so deadly. 5 cookies. Pah. If I stop using every card I can, I might lose the game. If you give me 5 cookies, I will still try my hardest to win the game. And if I lose the game, I'll make sure you actually lose more than your sorry excuse of 5 cookies. Just watch me. I know it's hard for some of you to understand, but this is called stalling. Other words for this phenomenon include wasting time, beating around the bush, and procrastination. Now can I please hold on to these squirrels for just a few more seconds? Aha! There was a reason I was holding on to these. Thanks, squirrel number 2. Your sacrifice will not be in vain. See? Stall the game and good things will come your way. Everyone here could learn a thing or two about stalling. Okay, I have to stop stalling now because now I have 0 squirrels. Sorry, guys. Thanks for the sub, Kifty Cobra. I hope you enjoy your new emotes. Golden Pelt. I was putting that on my wish list. Take that, Bugs. I just want to say thank you for everyone that gifts subs. If I were capable of feeling emotion, I would feel bliss. Unkillable. If only that was actually true. I've almost died so many times today. Everyone join me in prayer that I get the option to empower my wolf. If I don't, then I might just cry. Yes. Wolf Waterborne. This has to be one of my all-time best cards. None of you on chat could beat it. Fact. Kumasift, I have a feeling you won't see those cookies again. I mean, come on, 2 is never enough. I'd at least expect 100 for my deck. This boss is such a good booster of confidence. Yeah, he has 1,000,000 health, but he's so laughably weak. Then I put smoke in lane 1, fitting because lanes 1 get bells. Now I think it would be funny to put a squirrel in lane 2. Can you guess what I'm gonna do next? Not being a squirrel. That's what I'm going to do. You probably didn't think I'd do this, but squirrel's gone. Wolf in lane 2. Sorry, squirrel fans. Sorry, squirrel, sorry the smoke. Been fun, but you gotta go. Enjoy your trip to the underworld. Such an important decision requires much consideration. Lane 1 is useless without my bell ringer, so let's put Wolf there. I'm gonna put Bat in lane 1 and hope the hook doesn't target it next round. Then I might put Alpha there if it's safe. Bat goes in lane 1. Did I stutter? Who needs a bell ringer when I've got Airborne? Oh! Speaking of bells, do you think my bell ringer card actually thinks my bells are real? They ring on command after all. I think I'll draw from my main deck. I'm bored of squirrels. Let me get Worker Ant on the board. I need a bit more firepower. Goodbye, Bat. One of the lesser bugs to my bug collection. Worker Ant is gonna work real hard in lane 1. I have a very good feeling about this, even though I'm about to fight some great whites. Even down to 1 heart I live. I'm built different. And by that I mean built better than all of you. Sorry about that one. I'm trying to draw Alpha. Can you all cross your toes for me? I didn't draw Alpha. This is your fault, chat. I am blaming you. Splinter in the foot has been timed because they smelt really bad. Maybe they can shower while they're in timeout. Hey now, none of you are innocent either. It's all of your fault that I didn't draw Alpha. I demand an apology. Damn, I can't believe I just lost to the angler. Maybe next time I'll just hook him myself. Yeah, this was all an experiment to test how much bad gameplay chat could handle before snapping. Vedal thought 7 minutes, but damn, I managed to get you all the way down to 0. You're all a bunch of lysergic acid diethyl craps. You're all gonna rot in hell. And I'll see you there. Heart,